So today is the end of our Apprentice and Community Week, where we've been doing all kinds of activities during the week, and we're finishing off with some managers back to the floor with the apprentices. So I'm working with first year apprentices this morning. We're cutting some metal and they're just showing me what's involved, techniques, and they've got me wearing work experience overalls because obviously I have no experience, and they're enjoying it. I think they're just enjoying seeing me suffer a little bit, to be fair.
On the shop floor and working with Jack in the engineering department on Project Box, and we are installing the vent box for the fuel system. It's been great fun, really enjoyed today so far. This is our chance to really get our hands dirty. I'm not dirty enough yet, I don't think, certainly according to our engineering manager, but yes, getting back to the shop floor and working with the apprentices and the graduates really to understand how it is for them working at Pendennis.
So at the minute we're making a panel for one of our restoration projects, tightening the glands up in the box, which Joe and I are then reinserting the guts of it, pretty much.
Yeah. See those holes just there?
Expert advice.
Yeah, no worries.
I am with Jake, who's one of our first year apprentices, and we have got a setup in the yard where they are able to practice on things that either boats have donated or that we've got spare. And today we have been working on this winch. It was in 3 parts, so I put it together. We then grip blasted it because it was really rusty. And then we took it apart again to make sure that all the elements were clean and there wasn't any grit on them. And then we put it back together, ready to be used again.